We introduce interactive, environment-aware display bubbles in a tabletop setting using off-the-shelf low-cost hardware, including DLP projectors and FireWire cameras. The deformation of our flexible freeform display shapes is entirely controllable through a hyperbolic warping. The bubbles can display VNC and RGB content, widget components, and virtual illumination sources. During system operation, we continuously project an imperceptible stripe pattern, which is captured by a camera to analyze the properties of the display surface. Displays automatically avoid collisions with objects, search for adequate free space in the projection area, and perform shadow avoidance. Simultaneously, collisions with other bubbles and arbitrary obstacles are computed in a rigid body simulation. Using a laser pointer and a pie menu, we provide a complete set of interaction operators. New displays can easily be created by drawing a curve specifying the focus area of the warping. Subsequently, at any time, the user can adapt the shape to his new requirements and desires. On demand, the bubbles can also be scaled, translated and rotated in an interactive way. All operations can easily be accessed in the pie menu. Our warping-related operations include rectangle alignment, freeform editing of the curve specifying the focus area, potential variation, and focus change. Bubbles can be grouped, allowing the users to treat semantically related displays in a linked way. After grouping, the linked bubbles are immediately gathering due to the mutual spring forces. By cloning and dragging a copy to a desired location, the user can replicate a bubble an arbitrary number of times. Using a simple laser pointer, we can perform mouse operations on our flexible freeform displays. We also provide shorthand-aided rapid keyboarding and an annotation mode. Our novel display metaphor is well suited for interactive multi-user presentation, visualization, design and modeling tasks. In highly collaborative environments, semantically related bubbles can be grouped. To accommodate new requirements, the working space can be reconfigured at any time. In order to allow multiple users to work on the same content, bubbles can be replicated an arbitrary number of times. If desired, displays can automatically adapt to avoid colliding objects and shadows on the projections. In a meeting setting, users can discuss a presentation in an intuitive, collaborative way. Every person can take over the lead and annotate the presentation, interact with it, or add some text as required. By deforming or rearranging displays, new space can be created for task-specific bubbles. Our novel display metaphor is not restricted to multi-user settings. Also, single users in large-scale workspaces can benefit from the flexibility of our displays. Additional bubbles can be instantiated at any time. Bubbles can be modified and interacted with in an intuitive way, pushing flexibility, interactivity and adaptivity of displays to a new dimension.